Corp. It's in spotlight as the stock has corrected after brokerage from Jefferies downgraded it and cut the target price by up to 37%. Now, Puneet Johnson to talk about the bull versus bear case for Hero Moto. Puneet.
Well, thanks for that. Definitely, the key trigger today was the Jefferies note that's taking just the sting out of the stock today. And the key aspect is, what they are penciling in is essentially they've downgraded the stock to an underperform rating from a buy earlier target price now at roughly about 3,200 from 5,075 earlier. Now, the key aspect, is slowing domestic sales for the company, and that is one of the key aspects. They've also cut the EPS target by 5 to 11% for Hero MotoCorp in FY26 and anticipating a slower growth in this year. While on the bull side, currently the valuations are just 15 times price to earning for FY26. It's the lowest it has been in the last 5 years. And hence, it could be a very interesting opportunity going forward as well. The second bull and bear case for Hero MotoCorp, we have seen that the company has launched, multiple premium motorcycles in the 200cc range, as well as, the new scooter, which is the Zoom 125. The 160 is also on the way. So they're increasing the premium share, which should help revenue growth as well as margins going forward. But the market share of the company currently is at a 20-year low in the domestic two-wheeler space, and exports is a very small percentage for Hero, so it has nowhere to hide in terms of outperformance, and the company's sales growth essentially has been very low. So if you look at the third and final bull and bear case for the company, it's posted the slowest sales of just 4.9% amongst the other 4 listed peers. The highest was for Eicher Motors at 13% for last year. So it's a huge differential in terms of growth. We mentioned the valuation for Hero in terms of comparison. Bajaj is at 23 times price to earnings for FY26. Something like TVS is over 37 times. But I think this will be driven essentially by the growth prospects for something like a Hero. We're seeing the scooter segment is doing better than the bike segment, and hence that is also weighing in on Hero. So essentially, there's nowhere to hide for the company. But currently, Jefferies downgraded the stock today in trade today.
Okay, thank you so much for that very comprehensive view, Puneet.